This only happens in movies where like a teacher and a student fall in love and it's romantic. In real life, it's a cold case.
I only watch Catholic movies now.
Okay.
It's Passion of Christ season. I think it's over, no?
I mean, I know the kind of people I'm going to invite on my show.
He just went Farhan's dad on this. ऐसे लोग My God, you're like a knockoff version of yourself now. तू कल ऐसा आईने के सामने खड़ा कर मैं कौन हूँ मैं क्या हूँ
Okay. We've done. The first one was mine.
Are you going to recap all the movies? Are you insane? What the hell? How much time do you want, dude?
I love this. Because he transitions between the girls, no? And she's like, yes, I'm in love.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
he's like, Hamra Chora. Or something.
I am in love अगला स्टेशन मारूंगा Dude, a picture of this should be the prize. Shit, dude.
Hello and welcome to an episode of That Filmy Game Show. Yep, that's what the show is called now. That Filmy Game Show. I'm Antriksh Thakkar. Joining me on the show today are two very funny comedians. The show is to decide through Bollywood acumen and Bollywood knowledge who gets to become the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum.
Oh, you changed that word.
A little bit, it's copyright.
Everything has changed. Everything
Copyright
has changed.
legal issues.
But if you have a copyright lawsuit, do you think they'll pursue you?
They won't. No, it's
See,
Do you think
right
they have the
now,
money to
no, I
Needs
think
to have money first.
it just needs to be one person with the YouTube password
That's true.
who just says strike.
You're telling me about it. I went to that.
That's what I mean. So first off, we have Naveen Naruna.
Yeah.
A couple of words in your intro, Naveen.
I'm late, I'm sorry.
Alright. Also joining us is Noel Cordero.
I am early and entitled.
Nice. This is an episode of Battle of the Catholic Boys. Are you both Catholic?
Yeah.
Yes.
You both grew up
I
Catholic?
mean, not by
Yeah.
choice.
By birth.
By birth.
Yeah.
And
Circumstances.
Noel is still following Catholicism.
No, who told you that? ऐसा थोड़ी बोला dude.
Do you not really follow?
No.
Catholicism?
Completely relapsed.
We got a late comer guest.
Hello,
It's cool.
hello.
It's all good.
Hello, sir.
So
Thank
you're not that late, Naveen.
I don't feel bad anymore.
Cool. Hello, sir. We'll get to all of you guys. We have a nice audience today. Yes, Noel, you're not into Catholicism.
No. I only watch Catholic movies now.
Okay.
It's Passion of Christ season. I think it's over, no? That's
It's over, it's over.
And church sermons. That's your go-to.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
YouTube
I
church
know.
sermon. All right. Let's go. We have, if you guys might have noticed, we have a little bit of a live audience today.
Yeah.
Wow. It's,
Proof.
It's almost a full house. We had put out 6 chairs. There are 5 full.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's
great,
pretty cool.
great.
man.
Come
That's
a long
pretty
way.
cool. One of them is someone who just saw a show happening while working in a co-working space where we are shooting this. And he was like, hey, I have nothing better to do. I'll swing by.
He's just told
Yeah.
his boss that this is a training program that he needs to attend.
Yeah, that-
Either soft skill training or
Yeah, I was walking till 11 p.m. and you know how late fucking this guy went on.
He's
Yeah,
got
but-
his mouse connected,
Yeah.
like suspended on the desk.
You learned
Yeah.
something today at least.
Yeah,
That's
cool.
all. Yeah.
Then there's a couple
Yeah.
who the guy used to work for Blue Frog.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Go on,
and
go on.
the wife hates him. She's already criticized him a couple of times since the show started.
Yeah, but like RIP Blue Frog, what an iconic venue.
Again, I'm assuming you guys are married? Yes. Oh, you guys are married. Cool. I think
Big jump to
Yeah. I mean,
Antariksh, big.
they're
First
not
with the
brother,
Jesus
sister.
thing.
I mean, look at
Then
them. They're not
with
brothers,
this.
sister. What do you thought? Mom, dad.
I mean,
mom, daughter. Sorry, dad, daughter. What am I saying? Okay, that's what. Then there is a person named whose name I know, Divij, because I'm a mind reader like that. No, the person had texted me about 10 minutes back that he can't enter the venue. There are a lot of problems, guys. This one-person operation.
Because
People
this
can't enter the
venue, for people who don't know, this venue is inside a complex where people usually work.
Yeah.
Okay, and us
You
three
can search
jobless
for
fucks.
it. Search for Boomerang Building Powai. It'll show up somewhere and then come there for the show. Anyway, go ahead. You were saying.
So you do comedy shows over here, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
How many have you done so far?
We've done like more than 50, but then we stopped for the last 3 months. And
I wonder
now
why.
we're back with this. It's
Yeah.
comedy-ish.
That's good
It's all
enough.
fair. It's all fair.
Comedy
That's-
adjacent.
Yeah, comedy adjacent.
I think Powai is a lot like Hotel California. Like once you're here, you're here. You can't leave.
Yeah. Dude, I fucking love Powai, dude. It's the best. Why would I ever leave? Like, I hate leaving Powai.
No one said that ever in any
No,
sentence.
people say that all the time. Powai is like a self-contained unit.
Yeah.
You know, it's like it doesn't have a station, so what? I really don't want to go anywhere. You know, I would rather just the closest thing I want to go to is
Okay.
the airport and get out of Bombay.
Okay.
But this is not going anywhere. Anyway,
Like
let's see.
Powai.
The couple that's here. What's your name, man?
Sigmund.
Sigmund and man. Karishma.
We are Sigmund Quadros. I know you from Twitter. Yes.
Wow, you know him on Twitter.
This guy's big on Twitter, is it?
The best part
I've
is
seen
he
his-
has more followers than all of us.
He does.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Maybe he'll tweet about us and all. You know, now something to look forward.
What a Freudian name you have.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Great. Sigmund Freud. And ma'am, what is your name again?
Karishma.
Karishma. So you're Christian,
Yes.
also Catholic. Hey.
Don't care.
Yeah.
Hey, like everyone, man, like all Catholics. And ma'am,
We are
you
just in for the holiday.
Converted? Okay.
Yeah, if you're Christian, you'd be charisma. Yeah.
Okay, nice. You Karishma. What do you do, Karishma?
I'm a teacher.
You're a teacher. Well, that's cool. Where do you teach?
That's another profession based on faith, based on humanity.
Yeah.
This guy, dude.
He got it. He got it.
Huh?
That's all it is.
Yeah, no.
Wow.
Which standard?
Yeah, I have faith.
Secondary, so 6 to 12.
Oh, acha.
Was the worst
So they
kind.
don't throw up on you. At least that's good. Like it's
I mean, no. Second, third, and all, I'm sure they do. Oh, can you just tap on the
Secondary.
top of that light? Yeah, cool. Yeah, but I'm sure they can. In second
She said
standard.
secondary. Ah.
It should be how you answer now.
Hey, that's pretty cool. Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
Tang.
Why didn't I think of that, dude? Damn it.
Because
Now
you were
he's
too
instantly
busy
making the
getting
show better.
I'm a better producer and I don't do shows in Powai, that's why.
Hey, you want to produce my show?
He'll have to come every week till Powai.
Oh,
Think
he's
about
not-
that.
he's not gonna do that.
I'm living with you now.
Okay, cool. Sigmund, ma'am, you're a teacher. What do you teach?
Humanity.
Humanity, sorry, you said
Yeah.
humanity. Okay, we said humanity. To second to sixth standard.
6 to 12.
6 to 12. I heard everything wrong.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
that what happened?
Yes.
6 to 12 standard. Okay, so then they can't. They can't puke on you, right? I heard second to sixth. I'm like, yeah,
Yeah.
they can. They can. Okay, cool.
How many second standard kids have puked on you? They're like, yeah, they can't puke. Yeah.
All the time. I hang out with second standard kids all the time.
They puke
My
on
favorite
you.
demographic to hang out. How long have you been a teacher, man?
7, 8 years.
Okay, and how do you guys meet?
Hinge.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's
Nice.
open for some
shit.
people, huh?
It was almost gonna be sexy, right? I was a student of mine.
Yeah, I mean, like
He
you have a
just looks-
daytime
he
job,
looks
he has
way
a
older than he
nighttime
actually
job.
is.
It's like,
Yeah.
where do these guys meet?
Yeah.
You know, this only happens in movies where like a teacher and a student fall in love and it's romantic. In real life, it's a cold
It's-
case.
Yeah,
it's
always.
It's just
Every single
legality.
time.
Yeah.
Of course,
It's not okay at all.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh well. So Sigmund, you were working at Blue Frog.
I'm a life sound engineer.
He's a life sound engineer.
Just
He
he's
worked
moved on
at
with Blue
Blue
Frog.
Frog.
I'm sorry.
See, I'm just setting up what he's
See,
done.
Blue Frog was
You know,
a thing
what-
in 2004. That's like when Imran Khan was a thing. Like,
Blue Frog was the thing also.
Yeah. Irfan Khan was alive. Like,
Yeah, he was still alive.
definitely alive and not famous.
But
Like
Blue
that's
Frog
how
was
long before.
One of the
it
only
was.
venues where the comedy organizers, I don't know if you remember Mubin and those guys, they were the only ones who told me not to talk about being gay.
Oh,
Because
really?
they were like, कि यहाँ पे फैमिली लोग भी आते हैं कॉमेडी शो में तो ऐसा उनको बोल लग जाएगा अब उनकी फैमिली में गे निकला तो क्या करेंगे वो लोग
Okay.
This is the
cool.
most. And I remember Jiveshu was fully hitting on a lady in Blue Frog so hard. Yeah. You saw the signs very early on with him at least.
Again, this doesn't have to stay in for no reason.
It does.
It can.
Yeah.
But
You want your show to get views or no? That's how you get
okay,
views.
fuck Jiveshu.
He will come and fuck you also. Don't even.
And without permission. Hey.
The airport is also close by to Powai.
He'll do for
He'll
you.
fuck and go back.
Yeah. And he'll hear that you don't go out of Powai, so you know exactly where you're
Stay
trying
where
to
it is, man. Stay. All right, Sigmund. So you are a light sound engineer. Do you work in the industry, in the entertainment industry?
Yeah, I travel with a whole bunch of bands, including.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, sick. So what do you think of this setup and all? Yeah.
you need to take 350 hertz off the microphone on Ghost. That's all.
Okay, that's
It's a helpful
Right,
guess.
that means A plus. Okay, awesome. Divesh, what do you do?
I design software.
Design software. Okay, cool. What kind of software?
So right now I'm working for a bank, IDFC Bank.
Oh, I don't fucking care bank. I love it. My favorite bank. Yeah.
I don't fucking care.
Yeah. I don't fucking care.
Pehle,
first.
yeah.
Then
Now I do.
then
First I
do.
used to care.
Yeah.
But now I do. Yeah. So you designed that, like what kind of software for that app and all?
For the bank corporate employees.
Oh, cool man. So you're an engineer only, no? Or you're a web
Are you on
developer?
your way to Mordor right now? To throw the ring? He has the Frodo way of carrying the ring. I don't know if you've seen
Oh, he
it.
does.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
right.
right.
Yeah, correct.
Is it an engagement ring or like how is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Congratulations, man. Anku's also engaged, but nobody cares.
Why are you wearing it on your neck? Because she's not here. Hey, nice. But why?
मेरे को उंगलियां पहनने की आदत नहीं है इसी।
हाँ वो कुछ लोग का ऐसा होता है. Even I don't like jewelry on my body. At
Yeah,
all.
that's what cheaters say. I feel. People,
No, but
like,
this
yeah,
is-
no, I'm not engaged.
This
It's
is
just-
so great, na? Like
Yeah.
if he's cheating on his whoever, and the lady is cheating when she just lifts his shirt up. अरे तूने तो बोला था सिंगल.
No, this is not engagement.
This is not engagement.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
I
imagine-
love God, Lord.
Yeah, even cock rings count. Then you're
Yeah,
like,
this is
nah.
cock ring. It's
Yeah.
came out of my cock. That's
It's engaged.
out of my neck
Yeah.
now. Engaged currently. Okay, Divij, nice man. How much did you?
What?
How much did you
Did you
spend on
cover
that
the
ring?
walk to Mordor?
How much did you spend on that ring for your fiance?
He's doing this up.
You're engaged. You're engaged, right?
Gujarati question that is.
You're married. Oh,
Oh, wait.
wait. This time we all heard engaged, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank God. I thought like my
No, I
No,
said-
I think the ring is
The
the
ring is
engagement.
engagement ring.
Oh,
The marriage is for life.
Oh, ideally for life. Okay, cool. And next to Divij is Abhishek. Abhishek, hi man. We haven't met in a while. Abhishek and Naveen have been going steady.
We've been sleeping in the same bed for 6 years.
Oh yeah, but having sex also.
We have 4 cats. You tell me.
So no sex, I guess. Abhi, what's up, man? How have you been?
Great.
Yeah. Do you know what show this is? What show this is on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, he has to say that now, right? Like, what are you? It's like asking at gunpoint. Like, what are you gonna say? Really? It's like when my mother asks, "Is the chicken well made?" It's like, no.
His entire question, his entire time was like, do we have to do this? Do we have to go to Powai?
No wonder you got 45 minutes.
Yeah, but then you're like, this is Antariksh. I know, प्यार हम लोग का
Ah,
lost.
that's too sweet. Nice. I like that Abhi tried to talk you out of this.
Yeah, very much
Very
so.
enduring. Very nice.
Because like now, most of the shows I do in the evenings at 10 p.m. So for a comedian to have a show at 10 and 12
Yeah.
in the midnight,
That's true.
that means that 5 to 8 is sleeping time for me now. So I literally go to sleep at 5 p.m. in the evening, and so nobody can contact me around that time, which is the weirdest thing to do. I just sleep at 5 to 6:30, 8 sometimes. I'm just like passed out.
Really?
Yeah.
Every single day?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good time, man.
So I sleep when it's sun
How
outside.
chill is your life, Naveen?
It's very bad actually.
No, every day if you ever you get to sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, you miss chai. You miss chai.
But I have coffee twice in the morning to subdue that.
Okay, so let's just start with the show, guys. This
Yes.
is That Filmy Game Show. You guys are going to be competing in various games based on Bollywood films and Bollywood songs.
Yes.
In some, you'll have to guess the movie, some you'll have to guess the song, and some you'll have to maybe have to guess both. I don't know, anything can happen. Okay, but this time we have a live audience. The audience gets to participate.
Nice.
If there comes a point where you guys can't answer, the audience gets to answer. And the audience gets to keep their own scores. So the audience is actually one collective unit that is competing against you guys.
So if
Okay?
they win, they can't be Badshah, but there's like too many of them.
Yeah, there'll be Badshahs
There has
and
to be
Begums.
a blood
Then
bath.
it will be democracy.
There'll be Badshahs and Begums.
And a couple can win because then Sigmund and Karishma can be a ruling couple.
And every time they get correct answers, they get a bunch of like chocolates and
Just
shit.
thrown at them.
Yeah, just, you know.
What is Gujarati Santa Claus business?
I like to think sometimes that I'm a rock star, you know. And then just throw
Rock
stuff
stars
nice.
don't throw melody.
Yeah, definitely not. They throw
They play
cocaine.
melody at best.
If they get a big answer right,
Wow.
they get a Hershey's Kiss.
Which is
Nice.
thrown at them
Which is
again.
also thrown at them. We'll get pitch cool.
Man, dude.
And then if you get even
But
bigger
that is
answer, you get a real kiss. Just like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, you guys, okay, so it's a slightly convoluted system that we'll come up with, but it'll make sense after the first episode.
Okay,
Don't worry.
cool.
Okay? You guys,
Oh dear God.
we are guinea pigs for this.
you guys are actually playing
Huh.
for one person in the audience
Acha.
Okay.
that you get to pick. Okay? So
Okay.
whatever, if you guys win, there is a prize. Okay? If you guys win, that person gets to go home with the prize.
Oh, nice.
Achha.
And because you are playing for them, they get to help you. There's a help, like an audience
Oh,
poll, help
achha,
a friend,
achha.
whatever you want to call
Okay.
that
Call a friend.
lifeline. Yeah, call a friend.
Okay.
They get to help you in one answer throughout the duration of the show. Okay?
Cool.
But you're playing for them. Remember this.
Cool.
Good.
Okay? So that's it. Also,
I
one
can't
more
beat my
rule.
partner.
One more rule that has changed is that after, say, one of you does not get any 3 consecutive answers or 3 consecutive questions ka answers, there is a small punishment there. Okay? It can be any game. The game doesn't matter. At any point, if 3 times consecutively you don't get an answer, there is a Bollywood themed punishment. Some can be gotten from the audience as well, but some I have already gotten prepared.
Okay.
What you guys are playing for, and what they will get at the end of what you guys win is, first we have these posters where you can hang on the wall, which is biggest Bollywood Badshah. All right, so that's what you get to become. You will see I have not made a cutout because I got them printed yesterday, and I haven't yet gotten time. You know.
Yeah, right. It's
So-
getting
Poem
glory
में
hole.
scissor नहीं
Yeah,
मिलता
you know,
है.
yeah, that's what it is, man. And what these guys, what the audience will win, the audience members who you guys play for will win, is they get to go home with a poster
My God.
from Om Shanti Om.
Nice.
The
This
award is a
you just steal
picture
this
of
from an
him
office
winning an award.
So I know Karishma, the lady who hates her husband, was before she was talking about how she misses the wall on my previous show, that I used to do, whose name we can't mention, even though it's very close to that filmy game show.
The show that must not be
Yeah.
named.
Yeah.
If you just search for Antrish Thakkar at this point, that's the show that shows up and not this. There's a number of episodes, right? But regardless. So, so we're going to be using some of the props from that, and whoever you guys are playing for gets to take that home.
Cool.
So, Noel, decide who do you want to play for. Don't choose one of the couple, or do. Maybe they'll pit them against each other, but don't.
Yeah, I feel वैसा कुछ होना चाहिए.
थोड़ा हाँ. Let's
Otherwise, I will go for Mr. Hobbit.
Mr. Hobbit, nice.
Sir, what's your name?
Divij.
Divij. Yes, I will play with it. You
Divij
better
or
be
Divij?
good. Huh? You've not spoken anything Bollywood. I'm trusting you are like a hidden ikka.
Are you also a fan of the show, man?
Just-
Have you heard?
Yep.
Have you heard this show before?
Chalo,
Cool.
yes.
Nice. So,
मतलब
we
शायद
know,
अच्छा
we know.
है.
All 3 fans are here. I love it.
Nice. Yes, finally. Congregation
Yeah.
of fans.
I'll play for Karishma because I feel she deserves it.
Nice.
As a teacher in India, she doesn't do much.
Yeah.
Like the world is not kind to her. I know how students are from that age. This will bring her joy.
Imagine
for
having
sure.
so many kids and not being able to start like a factory.
Exactly. Just give them
Like
like
there's a sweatshop right there,
yeah,
man.
give them flowers in the morning. शाम तक गजरा बनना चाहिए बोलते हैं. That's how it should work.
Okay, excellent. So huge stakes. Okay,
Yeah.
everyone, all huge stakes all around. What are the most recent Bollywood films that you guys have seen in the theater or on Netflix? What else come out recently?
Chamkila. Yeah,
I've heard it's excellent. These guys just said
I've heard otherwise. I did not like it.
You didn't like
Yeah,
it.
it's by the book biopic, and what I felt, I don't know if you'll have seen the film, is that they forgot to shoot coverage shots. Okay, if you're shooting anything, a film or a documentary or anything, you do enough coverage shots, right?
Yeah,
so
correct.
like, and there's a lot of scenes where they're animated. Like the second half just goes off the coast, so they have no idea what editing style they want to choose for the film, and that really takes you out of it. So they have animated entire chunk. For example, like one part where he's going around performing in like small villages, and girls are gathering on rooftops. So the roofs basically fall downwards.
Oh.
So maybe did not have budget or something. So the entire piece is animated. So what you see is animation cut to reality where it's looking कि हाँ क्या हो गया? But it's like it's so jarring.
So it's like what is that movie?
Who Framed Roger Rabbit?
No, not Who Framed Roger Rabbit. The one with Monty Python, Holy Grail.
Holy Grail, yeah.
It's like that.
Horses, yeah. Then-
Are you guys fans of an American show called It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia?
Of course.
Because
Yeah.
there's a great episode where it's all flashback sequences of the group,
Yeah.
and everyone's is like normal live action,
Huh.
but Charlie is such an idiot. He's just animated. It's like fucking wondrous, fantastical Wonderland and all that. He's in. Fucking nice. I know Sigmund and Karishma did watch Chamkila as well. They were just talking to us before the show about
Yeah.
it, and you guys really liked it.
I liked it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Naveen, why did you not?
It's my opinion, man.
Okay.
But he's right.
Okay, the animation thing is this jarring?
Very jarring.
Yeah, the editing is all over the place.
So you guys saw Chamkila, cool. Noel, what do you
I
watch?
saw Lapata Ladies last.
Oh, I've heard good things.
Excellent. That was one of the movies that I also saw.
Yeah.
Excellent. I loved it. Did you guys watch it?
Kiran
Oh,
Rao,
yeah.
yeah.
Fucking amazing.
Very
One of the best movies I've seen in like the last 3, 4, 5 years and all.
Yeah, and if he's this excited,
Thanks.
you must believe it because he's normally very excited. So this is like even excited.
yeah, great. You know the other movie I saw which was fabulously hilarious, Madgaon Express.
Oh yeah,
What I need to-
Great.
good reviews over there.
Fucking Kunal Khemu knocked it out of the park, his
Yeah.
directorial debut.
Yeah.
Too funny, dude. Too fucking funny. Please watch. All of you guys, Lapata Ladies and Madgaon Express. You can watch The Crew, but again, that's missable also.
What is Crew?
The Crew, which is this is
Tabu,
Kareena
Kareena
Kapoor,
Kapoor
Tabu,
and
and
someone
Kriti
else.
Sanon.
Trupti Kamkar is there in that. Yeah.
Yes, Trupti Kamkar is there in that. And she has a
okay.
prominent role. She is awesome in the movie. by
I'm
the
so
way.
glad for Trupti, dude.
Trupti, yeah,
Yeah.
fucking great. Too cool. Diljit is there in that also.
Come, Divij.
Come, Divij.
It's not we have like a serious setup or anything.
ठीक है, cool, ठीक है. That's out of the game. That's whatever. That's out of pocket that we saw these movies. Let's start. Let's go.
Yes, yes.
Let's go.
We're gonna start, guys. Let's go. ठीक है.
Full
The first,
PPT, huh?
yeah, always, man.
Welcome.
Always gonna have a good PPT.
You should have a day then version of Bacha and Begum as well. What if you have a non-binary
Buddies.
person? What?
Bacha
Nahin,
and
big-
buddies.
I mean, I know the kind of people I'm gonna invite on my show.
Wow. Okay. I'm sorry. Queer comments.
He's just like, yeah, Rangi.
I
Yeah,
mean,
कोई रंगीन
come on,
लोग
dude.
allowed नहीं.
Alright.
He just went Farhan's dad on this. ऐसे लोग allowed.
Acha, chalo, the first game is called Please Release These Correctly. Okay? You will notice slight differences in naming.
हाँ.
Incorrectly.
You get
My
it.
God, you're like a knockoff version of yourself now. तू कल ऐसा आईने के सामने खड़ा कर मैं कौन हूँ मैं क्या हूँ. It's like Anthony Gonzalez having an existential crisis.
Yeah, this the show is like the clone version of the other show.
Yeah,
right?
it's basically.
So the show will have like identity crisis after some time.
Possibly.
My memories are not mine.
He's like ये
Yeah.
Band-Aid कहाँ डालूं मैं.
Correct. See, the added elements are the audience participation, the chocolates I throw at them.
It's okay.
You know?
It's
That
fine.
kind of- It's fun.
Yeah.
And more things will get added.
Yeah, we're already
at times,
here,
You know,
it's
that's what it
okay.
is. It's all exactly. You can't walk out now.
Yeah. You're selling it to us like we are still supposed to come and do this. We're here.
Yeah, that's
Let's
true.
go, let's
Thank
go.
you. So please read these correctly. How this works is I will name 4 movies. You have to tell me the correct order in which those 4 movies released. I don't need days, months, the year, whatever it was. I just need the correct order
Okay.
from oldest to newest in which those movies released. All of you will get to participate. In the sense, Naveen and Noel and the audience get to participate. But the audience will have to come to a consensus. So let's have one person from the audience who is answering all the questions for the entire audience. Can Sigmund be that guy?
Yes.
Right? Sigmund is that guy that is answering for all the audience. बताइए तो पांच हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? आज 4 जन हैं, कल 50 जन होगा तो मैं तो खत्म ही होगा. Again, I can hope, right?
होएगा.
Thanks, man. Sigmund. Okay, let's go. The first one can start with Naveen and Noel. Give me the correct order in which these Salman Khan or Bhai films were released. A. हम दिल दे चुके सनम. B. गर्व, pride and honor. C. हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा. And D. चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके. Have you guys seen all these films?
No.
I haven't seen Garv.
Haven't seen Garv, pride and
No.
honor? Yeah,
But-
that's actually. That's
Yeah,
not
but I know Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam came out early 2000s. These are very close. That's the whole
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah, fucking. पहले question से गान मार रहे थे.
Hey man, but
I love this.
they're all mainstream popular films.
So I think it's no wait. Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam should be the first one.
Okay, A.
Yeah, and then it's either C or D.
A. Okay, बोलो.
I think so. B is last, A is first. That much I can tell you.
Okay, B is last, is what I
Yeah.
say. Okay.
A is first,
Okay.
and then let's do C and D.
C and D.
Yeah, C second, D third.
Okay, so you're saying
A, C,
हम दिल दे चुके
D.
सनम, then
हर
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा, then चोरी चोरी,
चुपके
and then
गर्व
गर्व.
pride no.
A, C, D, B.
Yeah.
Alright, Noel, what do you think?
Okay, I feel Har Dil Jo Pyar Kare, I think came first. I'm not sure.
Okay, that's C.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna go C A D B.
C, A, D, B. C,
Yeah.
A, D, B. So you're saying Hardil, then Hamdil.
Yeah.
Hardil, then Hamdil.
Yeah.
Then DB is
Chori Chori.
Chori Chori and
then
Garv.
Garv.
Okay, cool. What do you guys think, Sigmund? Divij?
I think it's CADB.
You also think it is CADB, alright. The correct answer,
There's a new pair.
there are new bear slides.
Yay!
Oh, that was also
So-
under copyright. Oh.
That's not, there's no copyright. Who else? The correct answer is ACDB.
Oh my God.
It was Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam in 1999. C then is Har Dil Jo Pyar Karega in 2000, Chori Chori Chuke Chuke in 2001, and Garv Fly in Order in 2004, making Naveen right and getting full 5 points.
Also, fun fact, Har Dil Jo Pyar Karega was one of the first few movies that got into controversies because of the whole, Dawood, like the way the mafia was investing money.
investing in movies, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Financing films.
Yeah, so Salman Khan was pretty much called to the court for like, kya chal raha hai? Nadia Dwala and
Arey bro, there are ample, so during the whole Salman Aishwarya thing, right, when they were breaking up, there were all these like chats of their conversations, like phone tapped conversations and all, because Salman was under surveillance and all that shit also, right? That had become public. All these things had been leaked to the
Yeah.
public. And in this, you can see Salman is like threatening or like, talking very bullyishly to Aishwarya, saying stuff like, so you know now that Chhota Shakil had financed this movie of mine. You have to go to his party. How dare you not go to his party?
Yeah.
So that kind of shit.
There's a Sanjay
Wild.
Dutt wala audio also, which is
Yeah.
not heard.
Wild.
कि भाई ये करिश्मा को, sorry, not you, but करिश्मा कपूर के बारे में जो छोटा सा किसी को
right,
गाली
right,
दे रहा है,
right,
इसको
something.
ऐसा कुछ चलता है क्या भाई?
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
The way they
थोड़ी
had
ना
them,
होता
like
है.
from the balls they held them with Bollywood was like, oh
Good lord.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Naveen gets 5 points there. Very cool, very cool, very cool.
Yay.
Next one, we'll start with Noel, then go to Naveen. Give me the correct order in which these iconic villain films were released. A. Omkara, B. Agnipath. This is the Hrithik Roshan one. C. Welcome, and D. Dhoom 1.
Okay, so I'm gonna say Dhoom 1 came out first,
Okay, D.
then Omkara,
Okay, then
then
A,
Welcome, and then Agnipath.
D, A, C, B. Alright.
I didn't get why iconic villain films. I mean,
They
Welcome.
all like have
Welcome's, I mean,
Seven
famous.
Acha, acha,
And-
because there is
yeah.
an iconic.
Kancha
Okay,
China.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well,
No, I understood the other three. I didn't get like Welcome because in my head it's like.
Welcome, it's Feroz Khan.
Feroz
Yeah,
Khan.
it's
And
Feroz
also,
Khan, but like
those
in
guys
the-
also grey only.
Huh.
Anil and
Yeah, fair enough.
Kanda
yeah,
Lelu.
yeah. Voila.
I think he's right. That's the correct
Okay,
order.
you're also saying
Yeah.
DAC?
Yeah, Doom
Alright.
1, Omkara, Agnipath. No, Doom 1, Omkara, Welcome, Agnipath. Yeah.
Huh.
Alright, cool. Audience?
I think it's Dhoom 1, Welcome, Omkara Agnipath.
You're saying Dhoom 1, Welcome, Omkara, Agnipath.
DCA.
DCAB is what audience is saying. The correct answer is DACB. Oh, making nobody. Oh no, you guys got it right. I'm sorry. Naveen and Noel got it right. DACB. DACB. Both of them got it right. Very cool.
Yeah, was that bare feet?
These are bare feet, yes.
Oh, okay.
More bears.
Other points for
Taken
this
by Neeti.
because
I'm noticing. Cool. So DACB, both Naveen and Noel get 5 points there.
Yay.
Very cool. And the final one here in this game, we will do the last one. Give me the correct order in which these Imran Hashmi films were released.
They all came in the same month.
Starting with
Same
Naveen.
month, different weeks.
So starting with Naveen. A. Gangster, a love story. B. Murder. C. Zahar. And D. Ashik Banaya.
Okay, and there's some salvaging here because Murder is the film that really made him famous. So that was the one, like, so I think Murder is first because, and I'm thinking songs, okay, like, at what point in my life these songs came in. Murder, Bige Ho Tere was
Yeah.
very prominent. Ashik Banaya Aapne was second, Sonu Sood. Gangster is third,
BDA.
and Zahar is last.
Okay.
Zahar nobody remembers.
BDA.
But Gangster had great songs, Yali.
Yeah,
But
correct.
I was 2007.
Yali, Tu Hi Meri Shab Hai.
Yeah, Murder was before that because I was a child and my sister had gone and seen Murder and she was very obsessed with that movie.
Okay.
So it was very weird because she would touch me weirdly after the movie.
What?
Not in a sexual way, but she was like, what song would you sing for your loved one? Would it be Bige Hote Tere? And I'm like, I don't know what that means. You know, like as a child, you don't know what wet
I would
lips
murder
means.
her.
So lips are moisturized basically.
Yeah,
That's
like she
what
was my
Bige Hote-
teens, I was a child, so like there was no outlet really, I think.
Alright.
Cut all of this out.
Behind that there is no space, dude.
It's claustrophobic.
Yeah.
Okay, now I-
Naveen really doesn't IDFCs.
I'm playing this like Slumdog Millionaire where I'm like, my trauma is with dances.
No,
Dude, I genuinely feel Imran Hashmi movies sometimes just reproduce like mitosis. It's just
They're all the same.
like, yeah, dude.
Like, who shall we kiss this week?
yeah, correct.
Uh,
But always good songs, always average.
Yeah,
songs.
100%.
That's
like,
every film.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
but again, like you know, ये like Ashik Bane पे, oh ये movie था. Like this is not just.
Correct.
I have a feeling that Zahir came out first
Okay, so
because
see-
I'm just imagining. I think Tanushri Datta was in Zahir.
No.
You know, she was in Ashik Banana.
Ashik
Yeah.
Bane आपने.
That's the funny part because they would have to, like, song was so famous,
Huh.
they wanted it to be played on TV, but the whole song was him taking her clothes off. So
Correct.
if they could not play the song, they would have to like cut around parts of the
Oh
song.
shit!
Yeah.
That's why Himesh's face was there
Yeah.
in the movie.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Because
So you're right.
Suddenly he comes when
Like, it's just
on
Himesh is the censor.
You cut back, Tanushri's
Yeah.
clothes are getting on. You cut back, it's Himesh. Oh shit! Sad.
I don't know. I
Is it
feel
Zahir then
I
first?
feel Zahir is first.
Okay.
C B.
Zahir, I think it's Shamita Shetty, right?
Ha. Okay. Yeah.
No,
Basically,
no.
someone who doesn't have a career now. Like, you know,
The entire, yeah.
didn't survive 2010. Like
Yeah, yeah.
the Mayan apocalypse was for them.
I had once tweeted that from the movie
Yeah, right.
Gangster.
Gangster Shiny of the Dynamo career.
Yeah, only Imran Hashmi is a nice person from
Yeah,
that
that's
lineup.
true.
If you
Yeah,
think
yeah,
about
yeah.
it,
Thought, dude.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna say Zahir and then murder.
Zahir, then murder. CB, sorry.
Ashik Bane, I remember when I was in 6th it came out. I think Gangster also came out when I was in 6th standard. तो पहले कौन आया?
बोला ना, बोला.
चलो ठीक है, okay. Zahir, murder, Ashik Bane आपने Gangster.
CBDA. Okay. And you guys, audience?
My partner doesn't even know who Imran Hashmi is.
BDACS.
BDAC. So you guys saying murder, then Ashik, then Gangster, then Zahir. BDAC is the same as what Naveen said. Alright.
Yeah.
तो देखत है क्या आंसर है भाई BCAD. Sorry, BCDA is the correct answer. Yeah, so murder is the oldest, 2004. Then Zahir in March of 2005. Then Ashik Bane in September of 2005.
Of course.
And Gangster, A Love Story, 2006.
See how fast he was making films.
Oh.
Like he just sorted his entire life out in one decade.
Yeah, imagine that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
nobody gets points there.
I think he finished his home loan and then he was
Yeah,
like, okay,
he doesn't have to do
bas.
like Akshay Kumar like
He was just
Akshay Kumar ने मेरे को रेंट भरने हैं कनाडा में भी और मुंबई में भी so much.
just done.
Yeah.
Now he's in real estate or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of the first game of
Okay,
this
okay,
episode
okay.
of That Filmy Game Show. Where we stand scores wise is Naveen at 10, Noel at 5, and the audience is at 0. Is still at 0.
That's
You
okay.
guys are doing well?
Throw them chocolates
Very well.
anyways.
Alright, cool. Next one. Let's go. It's called Bollywood in Jeopardy.
Also,
Thank you for noticing.
South movie.
Thank you. Thank you. Again, these are all jokes if you know it, you know? It's obviously a joke.
You could be the Indian Alex Trebek because you already have the initials. You know?
Yes, correct. Yeah, dude. Wow, nobody made
See,
that connection, man.
I have. Yeah.
Great.
Give me 5 points for that.
Very cool. So, how this works is I will read the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film. You guys have to buzz in with a unique mouth sound that you make with your mouth each time.
Huh.
So it can be or ouch, whatever you want. Meow meow. That's my favorite sound.
Yeah.
Whatever sound you want to make, you can make that, and that'll be your buzzer. Whoever buzz in first gets to go first. If neither of you are able to get, I will let the audience go. Okay? And I will decide if it's too simple of a question, then I'll let the audience go straight away. If it's slightly difficult, then I'll give you guys a hint, half the points, and let you guys make an attempt at that. If still you guys don't get, I'll let the audience go after that.
Cool.
Alright? Here we go. The first one. Keep your buzzers at the ready. Can we establish a buzzer sound if you want to establish a buzzer sound?
I'll just do eh.
Okay.
Classic.
I'll do ting.
Which is correct answer.
That's how Jamaicans say thing.
Alright, the first one. Dash, an honest police officer, encounters Dash, a god man with connections to high profile politicians, when he investigates the death of an officer from his team. What is this movie? Oh, also, I should mention, you have to say the answer in the form of a question.
Okay.
It's Bollywood and Japanese.
But this is not a TV. It's a TV show. I'm thinking.
No, this is a movie.
Ting.
हाँ बोल.
Is this Talash?
It is not Talash.
I have no idea what this is.
You have no idea what it is. Moving on. Okay, wait. Did you guys
Hint, hint.
get a proper hint? This one is a Rohit Shetty film.
Rohit Shetty, you say. Ting, is this Sunday?
No, it's not Sunday, man.
Sunday is Rohit Shetty, no?
Yeah, sure.
Achha.
But not at all. Sunday.
Rohit
I mean,
Shetty. I
any.
do not consume Rohit Shetty films.
That's fine.
Nahin,
So we
then
can,
it's
yeah,
just
you
a
can tell
matter of-
yes.
Honest police officer
It's
is
a
Singham.
police officer.
Is it Singham?
It is not Singham. Do you guys have an answer?
There's Mithun in this movie. I think.
I don't think so.
Give them a hint at least. What the
No, I don't think so. I
No,
don't
you
think
don't think so then.
so. Okay, so the answer is Singham Returns.
Very, very close.
Okay. Okay. Cool, okay. Nobody gets that one. Nobody gets that one.
It wasn't Singham going. Singham coming back.
More bear. Singham Returns, Rojati. Next one. Buzzers ready. Two newlyweds find themselves inadvertently separated from their husbands
Ting.
moments after respective weddings.
Ting.
Yes.
This is Lapata.
Lapata.
Yeah.
That's what he just saw it. He just saw it. Fair.
advantage.
That's full 5 points for Noel. Moving on to the next one. With the looming threat of a terrorist attack on Mumbai. Okay, wait, you go first, but let's complete the question. With the looming threat of a terrorist attack on Mumbai, ATS chief Dash embarks on a mission to hunt for 600 kgs of missing RDX and the conspiring perpetrators.
Is it a Wednesday?
It is not a win.
Oh fuck! What the fuck?
Ting. This is Suryavanshi.
It is absolutely Suryavanshi. Yes.
What Surya Vansham?
Yeah.
Suryavanshi.
This is Akshay Kumar.
This is
wala
also Rohit
Singham.
Shetty.
Oh
This
shit!
is Singham with Akshay Kumar.
But
Yeah.
wasn't there one more Surya Vanshi in the middle where Salman Khan had He-Man hair and all?
That is Yuvraj, I think.
No, there is a Surya. Google up. I'm telling you.
There's a
Sure,
Surya
there
one. Oh, there is.
There
Yeah,
is
yeah, he does have
Suryavanshi.
him.
Oh yeah, there is
He has
He-Man
sword and
Salman, I
shield.
know.
There is
Yeah.
sword and a red bandana and
Yeah.
blonde, long locks.
But it's very close to Wednesday also if you look at it.
It is,
It's-
you're right.
it's-
Yeah.
No, but in that too, he's hunting the terrorists who have been caught,
No,
right?
but they find
Apprehended.
RDX also. No,
in
They
the
play
toilets
cat
and all that.
chase, yeah.
Police station was
Oh,
there.
acha,
Cat and mouse chase is the entire
Yeah.
film.
Great movie, no Wednesday. Suryavanshi, not so much. Moving on. Movie number 4.
Who's the bear in this?
Say, there are two bears.
It's the bear and the predator.
Bear in the wild. Alright. The next one. Keep your buzzers at the ready. Movie number 4. Dash cannot find his ideal partner. He meets Dash on a trip to the USA and falls in love with her, only to discover later that it is an impossible love affair. I'll tell you, this is a recent movie, a very recent movie. Dash cannot find his ideal partner. He meets Dash on a trip to the
Ting.
USA and falls in love with her, only to discover later that it is an impossible
Ting.
love affair.
I think this is तेरी बातों में मेरा उलझा जिया.
I have not
सही
seen
बातों
any
में
of
ऐसा
this
हो गया,
shit.
but
What
yeah.
the fuck is this?
मस्त कर रहा है bro, नोएल यार.
Yeah.
Noel spends time
Because I
in-
have Prime and
Yeah.
ये बार बोलता है
हाँ.
while I'm watching Reacher. देखना.
Oh, this is the Shahid Kapoor film.
Yeah.
Dude, Kriti Sanon is stunning as hell in this movie, dude.
Who?
Kriti Sanon.
Oh.
Damn, fucking honest. Alright.
We have some good
last.
movies in the questions, maybe. Things that people actually consume.
These are
Next one will be
he
Last
consumed
Temptation
all
of
of them
Christ.
after now.
But then it's also Noel, you know.
Right? Somebody does. Somebody
The
does.
standard is very low.
Did you guys know this movie? Have you guys seen this?
Not seen.
See?
None of you have seen Teri Baaton Mein Jaliya?
You're asking Abhi. If I have not seen, he's definitely not seen.
Oh, he's not seen.
Yeah.
At all. Alright, we'll do one last one in this game. Buzzers at the ready again.
That you can linger on this for a bit.
Best. Dude, a picture of this should be the prize.
Speaking of family sexual, connections, my mom used to like Anil Kapoor a lot. Because when I was growing up, she was like, "Can you comb your hair backwards?"
Yeah.
Because I used to do a side parting, and she was like, "Don't do that. You don't look nice.
Yeah.
Be like Anil Kapoor." And I'm like, it's a very weird request for a mom to ask her son.
Did you succeed in the chest hair department?
No,
No, not at all.
very sadly.
Do you shave? Do you?
No.
No? Okay.
What part it depends, but like that's a question for later.
But that's a different show. That's okay. All right. The next movie and the last one in this game is Dash, a corrupt police officer who works for Dash, an influential smuggler. However, his life takes an unusual turn when he decides to avenge a woman who was assaulted by Dash's brother.
What the fuck, dude? Ting.
This is every South Indian film.
Well,
This is Simba.
This is
How is every
You know,
movie
I
a
just-
Rohit Shetty?
I just realized Noel didn't answer the question, and the last few also he did, but I didn't catch him on that. I caught him right now. Naveen, do you want to steal this?
I just said, is this Simba?
No, it says you said this is Simba.
Acha, I said this is Simba.
No, it's okay. I'm not.
You don't want to steal?
No, I'm not.
You don't want to steal? This is how the game works.
I'm not
you
going
can
to fucking
steal.
down
Then
Rohit Shah.
You
fucking
are
hill.
quite a ways
Rohit
behind.
Shah, I'm saying.
You're quite a ways behind.
Same thing.
Yeah, feelings are same.
We're quite a ways behind.
That's okay. I'll catch up in the next round.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
If you,
As long as there's no Rohit Shetty.
Next- good man, good man.
Next round is good
Good man.
movies.
So I'm not giving Noel points, even though he got that one.
I think the question
That's
was,
another
what
bit.
the fuck is this?
Why is this question?
So every alternate movie was a Rohit Shetty film, and I thought that would be the theme going
Yeah,
forward.
that's so much fun to have
Okay,
an
well,
auteur of Indian cinema.
Clearly, you need a
feature.
second person on this podcast so you can work on questions.
Just balance it out. Yeah.
And now
I've always
next
wanted a
round,
question
Noel
as
scores
well.
0.
Damn it,
I wish
Noel.
Abbas was here.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'll come angry. You know, at first glance, it looks like Anil Kapoor is wearing a
Yeah, he's like
t-shirt.
a
Yeah.
black
But then you
singlet.
realize, dude, there's no t-shirt.
Man, this guy.
And dude, like I've hooked up with men like this, like
Yeah.
post-sex coverage is the worst because there's too much hair on the bed. You have to call hospitality to come and fucking clean it out.
Wait, they shed like that? Like this kind of...
The point of having hair is to shed. That's how it's like a fucking manic dog.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You don't even- How did they ever think this was fine to be shown on screen and all that?
You can't help it, dude. Like it's.
Can you imagine being in the theater and this being just shouted in your face?
I know, like, and sometimes when they shave the hair, the follicles will still come out very fast, right? So it pokes through the t-shirt and all. It's very funny.
Okay. I don't think about
It's
it.
better to have it like
And
this.
poor Juhi is straining her eyes not to look.
Don't look
Don't
at
look,
the
don't look.
don't look at the sweater.
Don't
Don't look at the sweater.
Sweater. Woolen sweater. Okay, that was the end of this game as well. The second game is over. Where we stand at the end of game 2 is Naveen is still at 10 points. Noel is now at
And I have-
20 points.
I have Rohit Shetty to thank.
And
for
the
this.
audience is still at 0 points. So 10, 20, audience still at 0. My chocolates are getting heavy. I'll just throw some more.
Just for the sake.
You know, why not? Why not? You guys take, enjoy. Oh, sorry, I just
Your
Your
equipment
shit
is
on
I'm using my own equipment now. Oh, nice.
Like Karni Sena boy
Nice.
once said.
You guys want?
I'll eat when I succeed in life.
Cool. Game number 3 is the name game.
Okay.
Okay, how this is very simple. How this works is I will name a famous actor or actress. You have to give me movies or songs of that actor or actress depending upon the question. If the question says give me movies of Amir Khan, you have to one by one name movies of Amir Khan. So like Dil Chahta Hai, then Talash, then Lagan, and then so on and so forth. Right? But this is 3-way now. So 1, and audience gets to go 1, and then again 3 sets. Okay. Starting with Naveen, give me movies of Shahid Kapoor. Simple enough.
Oh, wow. तेरी बातों में ऐसा returns, yeah.
Nicely done, man. Nicely done.
Padmavat.
Absolutely, yes.
Ishq Wish.
It's good. Okay, is only segment gone?
I don't know.
Okay, only
I
segment.
mean, between rounds, I can feed him answers in case.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah.
They'll never run out, but you guys go ahead.
Okay. Ishq Wish, you all said, no? What was that? Shandar.
Yeah, horror movie. But
Yeah.
yes, you're right.
Oh, Kismat Connection.
Shahid.
That's
That's not.
No.
That's Jimmy.
Sorry.
That's Rajkumar.
Okay, Kameen, let's go with that.
It's not coming.
Kameen.
Every time you have about 30 seconds to answer, right? And every time the audience has 15 seconds because you guys are so many, you guys should never run out. Okay?
Got it. Okay. We've done. The first one was mine.
Are you gonna recap all the movies? Are you insane? What the heck? How much time do you want, dude?
Oh, Heather.
Wow, okay, cool.
Jab we met.
So we might be cool, of course. Okay.
Oh,
Done.
I'll give you 5 seconds quickly.
Kismat Connection.
नहीं हो गया विवाह yes विवाह
Which one is that movie? Where it's like, "ए खुदा तुझको पता
तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा
I sang the song, it counts.
No, that's not good. I know the
Panchana.
Yes, you're right. One of my favorite songs. Bekaraar.
That 3 seconds of fucking singing you're doing.
Badmash Company.
Yes, you're right.
Kabir Singh.
क्या?
Kabir
Kabir Singh,
Oh,
absolutely.
अच्छा.
Yes.
Good answer. Which one is that where he did with his father? That is Shandar actually.
That is Chandar. And I think one more.
Some other movie also. Huh?
I remember. I think I remember. Well, there are 2 more, I think, with his dad, yeah? Nice. Yeah. We have about 15 more seconds, I mean. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cool. So I'll give Noel and the audience get 5 points here.
Okay. This motherfucker, every time he comes into the quiz now, he's like,
But do you have another one?
Yeah, I have Fool and Final.
Okay, are you looking it up on your
No,
phone?
no, no.
Okay.
I just got a call.
Okay. There's also Jersey, which is with his dad. His dad is in that. And Rangoon, I feel like Pankaj Kapoor is in Rangoon.
No, that's this one. Shahid Kapoor.
Shahid Kapoor is there.
Imran
Imran
Khan
Khan
is there in Rangoon, right?
Huh?
I think it's Imran Khan in Rangoon, right?
No. Rangoon has I think Saif, dude.
yeah, Saif is in
Saif and Kangana, I think.
Kangana is there, yeah.
This is the one she went on Coffee with Karan promoting this one with Saif and just called him the king of Nepo and all that shit.
My God, yeah.
Yeah, dude, she was
But
awesome.
it was during this. It was actually a movie promotion. Wow.
Dude, there was
Unhinged.
a whole period where everyone thought Kangana was badass as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doing all the shit. Before you
Yeah,
find
and
out that
that
oh,
is-
she's crazy.
one second, that is the period where I remember clearly saying that this woman is crazy.
You said that?
Yeah, because I used to go on stage and I used to say, someone give her a script of a good person. And don't yell cut because she acts very well.
You're right. You should have seen the signs. You should have actually seen the signs.
she's
When
crazy.
someone is killing it, no, and
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
like you give them
She
so much.
had
love.
the whole arc of a genius.
Yeah.
Till they become
Now
And the
it's
fall of
completely
a
misunderstood.
Yeah.
politician.
You think she's gonna win, guys? Okay, moving on.
I hope she does.
I'll forge a voter ID card to stop that from happening.
But dude, I wanna see that, dude. I wanna see her reign, man. That'll be fucking
Yeah,
hilarious.
okay, you just are going to go to
I
Nainital
wanna
and
watch the
just
world
watch
tour.
Mandi mein kya ho raha hai.
Okay.
I hope
Next
she
one.
becomes Powai ki leader one day.
That'll be nice.
That's
yeah.
the only thing we
This
deserve.
one will start with Noel, then go to Naveen, and then the audience, and then
Okay.
that's okay, alright? Give me songs of Saif Ali Khan. Talk about that.
Oh.
Noel.
Rangoon.
That's a movie. Songs.
Oh, the Omkara title track. Dham
Ah.
dham dadam dadaiya re.
Yeah. हम दोनों है अलग अलग हम
Hey,
दोनों
nice.
है जुदा जुदा
ओले ओले
The hum tum.
हाँ ठीक है
इसे ढूंढता हूँ मैं हर कहीं जो कभी मिली
Let's go Dil Chahta Hai.
दिल चाहता है
Then I'm gonna go. He has to be there. It's the time to disco. He has to be there in the song.
Yeah,
Ah, okay.
you're right.
ये लड़की क्यों न जाने क्यों लड़कों सी नहीं होती
Mahire.
माहीरे
Oh, the tararam pam tararam.
Rampam. Yeah, of course.
It's just
Of course.
desperation.
Oh wait,
Of course.
I remember this. Which one is this? Chica chica chica.
Same हो गया.
Chica.
तुम ही तुम हो, निगाहों में, तुम ही तुम हो,
This is like that
निगाहों
Karunesh
में.
joke, dude.
Yeah,
That sound is.
Yes, you guys go ahead.
No, you can.
Okay, hey Shona, alright.
Which one is that? Sorry.
Hey Shona, hey.
Correct.
Same.
The song from that from Lal Kaptan. Fuck.
You know a song from Lal Kaptan?
No, there is a great
Beyond
So I'm
song.
saying like this is
Achha,
what the
ठीक
fuck
है,
am I
screw
up
it.
against?
That's true.
Screw it, not Lal Kaptan. Let's go. Go Goa कौन को कुछ पता है क्या? बाबा जी की बूटी.
He's not in
But he's
that song. Not in that song.
Okay, let's
There is
go.
one song I think in the movie that is in, and that's if you think of that song. You have what 15 more? I'll give you 15 more.
She कौन सा? Salam Namaste.
Wow, what a save, dude. Quick. Okay, go ahead, Navi.
Salam Namaste was a deep cut, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, 20 seconds more.
One second. We'll talk about it. हाँ ये बेवजह क्यों मैं गुनगुनाता हूँ from कल हो ना हो only.
बेख्याली में Yeah, I know.
हाँ
Yeah. आए ना हो तो
कुछ तो हुआ है.
Yeah, correct. You got it. Yeah. Okay, let's do two more each of Saif songs, and then we'll call it a draw. कोई क्या कहता रहे?
कुर्बा हुआ
नशीला नशीला तेरा चैना
Yeah, correct.
चुराई ले हम. That is actually kind of song. No, actually that is song. टशन में
Sure, yeah, of course, man. Yeah, fair. Guys,
But that part is by Piyush Goyal. You know that part.
वो मैं खिलाड़ी तो बना रही. Like sorry, I just
no, he said मैं खेला तो नाड़ी. That was one of the first songs he said.
The first
Yeah.
song
हम
was-
दोनों
Yeah,
हैं.
हम दोनों हैं अलग. Yeah.
okay.
दिलहारा रे.
हाँ,
No,
yeah.
that song so much.
Yeah.
No,
it's
last line, okay?
last one from another movie where it's just him and Kareena. No. From Hum Tum Only. Chak de sare gum. Which I just didn't understand how it solves Rani
Her-
Mukherjee
Yeah, she's
losing
depressed.
her
She
husband.
lost her
मैं
husband.
गाना गाएगा.
अरे चक दे गम के यार भाड़ ना मैं
चल गाना गाते इज द चल दारू पीते
क्या
हैं
दुखी है तू यार दुखी है तू
ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
like
Fuck, I know that from Agent Vinod, dude.
Oh right. Nice.
जैसे है खुदा ने जिस जगह में सभी के लिए जिसको राब्ता. It's a great song.
I thought you would say oh मेरी
Yeah, that's what I thought also, yeah.
That also is a good song. Yeah.
Pungi
Okay, take Pungi then.
yeah okay done ठीक है Pungi done
Yeah.
that's 5 for everyone
Yay.
or I can just give everyone 0 whatever you want
Yeah.
Wow,
Five is
bitch.
better, no?
For no reason.
okay that's
I've actually met Saif Ali Khan. I don't know if you know this.
Met
The
Saif
most random. Like Sriram and I were working on like a show.
what's Saif doing at a gay club
Sakhi Sriram's as. No, so he was like he
the
was in
person not God go ahead just say
our friend Sriram
Just say.
Padmanabhan, who's even worse.
yeah
So
wow
So like we were in a shoot like busy between recordings, and he was doing some dubbing, and he just came out, and I was eating my sandwich from Sandwiza
Okay.
because I was very hungry. And the
I hate Sandwiza
The
so
director's
much.
mom had passed away, so the
Yeah.
director bounced. So like Sriram and I were covering the director's shift essentially. और ये आके मेरा दिमाग खा रहा है कि wow, what are you eating, bro? And I'm like, जान यार वो time नहीं मिला. And there's like an entire posse around him कि like bro, you're not talking to Saif, and I'm like, I need to eat the sandwich so I can go back and I finish work. I just did not give a shit. Dude. He's a short
This
king,
guy
though. It's a
don't
very
like
cute
crazy?
thing. Yeah.
but why did you not want to talk to
If it was
Saif?
Amir Khan, I would have been like more bold.
Bro,
over
but
it.
first time in your life.
But what do you
Saif-
do? Dude? You're in a lunch break between two fucking recordings and you're having a sandwich. What do you do when your star comes in Samne? Like, you don't anticipate ki, okay, this is how I'm going to behave around the star. I'm going to quite eat my sandwich because I was in that process. He happened to be there.
Yeah, basically
Well,
Naveen had that
you know what I'm
moment.
saying? Like,
हटाओ
you-
यार मटर
Yeah.
पनीर पर फोकस करो. Just
Like I'm in my impoverished Bukhari situation where I'm just like quite eating the sandwich.
नवाब साहब हटो. इस
Sorry,
गरीब की
yeah.
रोटी मत लो.
Exactly. उसका बाप नवाब है, dude. मैं कौन सा?
I mean, what if in those 2 minutes he were to tell you like,
It wouldn't.
you know, by the way, I'm working on.
No,
I'm
अंतरिक्ष
working on a movie where I need a stand-up
ये जो
comedian.
मेट्रो लाइन है ना घाटकोपर अंधेरे में हर स्टेशन पर किसी ने मेरे को बोला है कि चल काम करते हैं एक साथ दूसरे में काम तो माँ चुदा तेरा व्हाट इफ ऐसा होएगा तेरा इंश्योर
सैफ का सपना मैं पूरा करूँगा.
Okay, cool. So we would have ideally at this stage gone on to the advanced version, but we're short on time, so let's go on to the next game itself.
Yeah.
Where we stand at the end of game 3 is Naveen's at 15, Noel is at 25, and audience is at 10.
5.
No, 10. They got,
Wow.
they got one common and I mean,
Congratulations.
one Noel and the audience got, and one all of you guys got. So 10. Let's go on to game number 4, which is.
Oh wow
We'll try to make this the second last game of the episode, but
हाँ.
maybe this end up being the last game.
Oh,
Depends on
okay,
time,
okay,
right? Versus.
हाँ.
How this works is I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. You guys have to buzz in with the mouth sound that you make with the mouth each
Yeah.
time and recognize the song and tell me what the song is. You don't need to ask me the question this time. You can just say, blurt out what the answer is. If and you guys on the first go you guys don't get, I will half sing each of the lines and then half the points, and you guys can take a hint there.
We should not get
The audience
half sing half.
see,
This is real fun.
I know from experience. I know from experience that there are a lot of audience members. Okay,
Huh.
so they will always get it in the first round itself.
Huh.
So I will go to them only after the hint wala.
Oh,
Okay.
dear.
So you guys can only earn 2.5 points on each round, but it's still I'll come to you guys. Don't worry. All right. Let's go. The first one. Ka second verse ka lyrics are as follows. Keep your buzzers at the ready. आंखें खोले नींदे बोले जाने कैसी जगी बेखुदी यहाँ वहाँ देखो कहाँ लेके जाने लगी बेखुदी हो आंखें खोले नींदे बोले जाने कैसी जगी बेखुदी यहाँ वहाँ देखो कहाँ लेके जाने लगी बेखुदी आओ मिल जाएगा होगा जहाँ पे रास्ता
Oh,
So it's the last line
Ting.
again?
Oh, sorry. What?
Yeah, go for it.
No, first us.
But if you got it.
Ting. हम जो चलने लगे. That one.
Very good. Very nice. Very good. Applause and all, man. Well, what an answer.
It's a great.
Yeah, not the usual podcast where you get applause. It's nice.
Because there is no audience.
No
actually.
This is a relationship.
Shameless person.
Alright, next one. Keep your buzzers ready again. Alright, that was very good, Noel. Next one is दीवानगी ने तेरी मजबूर इतना किया सोचा ना समझा सनम सब कुछ तुझे दे दिया सांसों में गर्मी तेरी धड़कन में तेरा नशा तेरी भी चाहत में है जादू कोई दिलरुबा
Say it again.
दीवानगी ने तेरी मजबूर इतना किया सोचा ना समझा सनम सब कुछ तुझे दे दिया सांसों में गर्मी तेरी धड़कन में तेरा नशा तेरी भी चाहत में है जादू कोई दिलरुबा
Random. Ting. Is this that welcome wala song?
It is.
Kiya.
No, it's not. It's
No.
not. So Noel's out. You're still in if you still want to take a guess.
Okay.
You can take a guess, no negative points.
Say the first line again.
दीवानगी ने तेरी मजबूर इतना किया सोचा ना समझा सनम सब कुछ तुझे दे दिया सांसों में गर्मी तेरी धड़कन में तेरा नशा तेरी भी चाहत में है जादू कोई दिलरुबा
So you're saying it's from the Welcome film only.
It's not. It's not. It's not.
I've heard these words, but it's not coming.
Yes,
across.
this Dilruba, Janam,
it's all
Garmi,
Diwangi,
Saso,
Majboor, these all words are
Everything
very-
Pritam
yeah.
has in his song.
सांसों में गर्मी. Okay, cool.
हाँ.
अगर ठंडा रहे तो मर जाती फिर.
Sure. That is cool.
सांसों में ठंडी तेरी. चलो देखो जरा.
White Walker.
बोला.
Give it to the audience, I think.
No. Now it's half singing. The audience
Okay.
will only catch it after the hint wala.
Okay.
Now for half is दीवानगी में तेरी मजबूर इतना किया सोचा ना समझा सनम
Ting.
सब कुछ तुझे दे दिया
दीवानगी में तेरी. Is that the?
You're close.
जाती हूँ मैं.
Nah.
No. Okay. No. Fuck.
Okay. Now you can't answer. I'll continue reading half, but you can't answer. Okay. So सब कुछ तुझे दे दिया. Okay. सांसों में गर्मी तेरी धड़कन में तेरा नशा तेरी भी चाहत में है जादू कोई दिलरुबा
See the third A also.
Still third, yeah.
No clue.
Okay, I'll read the last line as it's absolutely
हाँ.
sung. Okay, जादू कोई दिलरुबा. No.
Oh, Ting.
Oh wait, it worked.
This is from Bacha?
Wow, you got it, dude. Yeah, which one?
मोहब्बत की नहीं है मोहब्बत हो गई है
अब करेगा भी
Give him the poster, right? This is one, this Badshah.
Okay, Naveen, will you do one punishment? I forgot about punishments.
No, honestly. Don't. You can't ask, no.
Will you do one?
Why?
Because I forgot and you haven't gotten a lot of answers.
No, let's just go to the soda. We need to wrap.
Okay, let's do one simple one.
Punish Hoyt Shekar.
Okay, one simple one. Okay, that's good.
He has to
Simple.
make movies with Akshay Kumar. I think that's enough.
This is very simple. Tell us the most popular mainstream Bollywood film that you've not seen. Yeah.
Okay.
Tell us the most popular movie that you've not seen that people are always like, huh? What? You not seen this? That people give you shit for.
A
Bollywood.
lot of it, dude. I don't usually like go out and consume. Like Special Chubbis I've not seen.
But people are not. Aren't
People
telling
people
you,
love
like,
that film, dude.
You know, like I would imagine like some like classics. If you haven't seen like DDLJ, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun,
Those
like,
I've
that
seen.
shit.
Like I grew up
Seen
in a
all?
very like
Lagan?
family obsessed
Okay.
with movies, right? So like
Oh, so you don't have much.
you know, I've seen all of the like.
Is
I
there
think,
a film that is usually liked but you fucking hate?
like Kal Ho Na Ho? I fucking
Oh really?
hate it. Yeah.
You hate it?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Mostly because I grew up around girls would cry every time Shah Rukh Khan died, and I'm like, हर बार रोने से वो जिंदा थोड़ी हो जाएगा अगली बार. Like he's gonna die in every time of the movie, and he's alive in real life, right? Like
Dude, chill no. Why do
yeah, I didn't get that fucking thing where he's like, and they like.
Wow.
And
But
they keep telling
Naveed
you-
does not understand movies at all. He's like, alive no, in real life. What is the problem?
Exactly. Like
It's not
now,
how movies
now,
work, bro.
for example, for me, like if I watch Green Mile and when Michael Clark Duncan's character dies in that,
Yeah.
he's dead in real life also. So I feel sad now. That,
Oh, that's the only.
he's dead.
That's the only way you feel sad.
So the
That
only
person
way-
dies in a-
So after Shah Rukh
So
dies, you
there
need
was
to
a
watch
wedding.
Kal Ho Na Ho again.
Yeah. Then I'll watch Kal Ho Na Ho, I'm like, oh, har pal yahan.
जी पर
Yeah.
जियो.
Oh, wow.
And that movie was the invention of that fucking thing also. It became very mainstream after that
Oh,
movie only.
अच्छा.
So I got like, बस हो गया यार, इसका बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया.
Fair.
कम हो गया.
Cool. ठीक है. We got your punishment. Very well done. See, that was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Yeah, give me 5 marks.
That's a -5 for me. Okay. Cool. We'll do one more song.
Yes, please.
Oh, actually, we can do a couple more. ठीक है. The next one is as follows. Keep your buzzers at the ready. कोई पूछे तो मैं बोलूं क्या कि मुझको हुआ है क्या मोरे अंग अंग में है सुगंध
और छोरी the more gave it away.
मोरे अंग अंग में
Because the song I had obsessively listened to, yeah.
I love this song. Beautiful.
Because he transitions between the girls,
Yeah.
no, and she's like, yes, I'm in love,
Yeah,
and she's
yeah.
like, hamra chora or something like that. I'm sorry.
Like, I am in love. अगला स्टेशन मारूंगा.
See, even in your station, you're Matunga, you're limited to the Harbour Line station.
Yeah, wow.
But yeah, dude, like, I think that movie was great.
Oh yeah, I love that movie. That's a very nice movie. Absolutely. Okay, chalo. We'll do two more quickly in this. Okay, let's go. This one is slightly niche, maybe. Let's see if you guys get it. थाम ले मेरी बाहें, मौसम जवां और हंसी है. क्या करूं नाम तेरा, दिल भूलता ही नहीं है. जागूं या मैं सो जाऊं. That's it. Okay, I'll read that again. थाम ले मेरी बाहें, मौसम जवां और हंसी है. क्या करूं नाम तेरा दिल भूलता ही नहीं है जागूं या मैं सो जाऊं
मैं सो या हंसो
No.
करूँ तो क्या करूँ
no
So
No clue.
no clue at all I know you guys won't get it so I go half for half this is from the get go right okay थाम ले मेरी बाहें मौसम जवा और हंसी है क्या करूं नाम तेरा दिल भूलता ही नहीं है जागूं या मैं सो जाऊं
you're a great singer, Antarish.
I'm terrible.
I mean, in terms of like you can never tell what song you're singing.
Yes.
So it's like every song is the same.
Yes. that's how it
No
goes.
copyright
Okay.
strike ever.
Okay, I'll try to do a better job.
Don't.
Okay. थाम ले मेरी बाहें मौसम जवां और हसीन है क्या करूं नाम तेरा दिल भूलता ही नहीं है और ऐसा लगे जागूं या मैं सो जाऊं
This seems like some Abhijit Alka Yagnik song.
I
don't
think
know,
you're
man.
right man I think you're very much right
It's got that Jatin Lalit
Yeah. संगीत
DNA. हाँ.
इस गाने के गीत लिखे हैं समीर ने.
no it's actually it's sung is by the woman is Lata Mangeshkar and the guy is
मता मंगेशकर.
don't say
Mata Mangeshkar.
I think it could be Abhijit, but I'm not sure. हाँ बोला. Any guess?
Still, I can like imagine that this is a.
I don't think you guys are gonna get it.
rom-com.
So I'll just. And you guys, I'll do it one last time in case you guys know. थाम ले मेरी बाहें.
I have one guess.
मौसम जवां और हंसी है.
देखो देखो तेरा ये बरसात की लड़ी.
नहीं,
That's the same song you're singing actually.
No.
But but yeah, okay.
Okay. क्या करूं नाम तेरा दिल भूलता ही नहीं है जागूं या मैं सो जाऊं. The song is इस दिल में क्या है धड़कन धड़कन में क्या है
खुशबू, अक्षय खन्ना.
नहीं bro, it's Salman Khan and Twinkle Khanna.
हाँ, correct.
One Khanna is there, yes, you're right. Okay, absolute last one in this game. We play. Nobody gets that points for that one. Okay.
You can say anything. इस दिल में क्या है बदबू.
बदबू में क्या है
जादू.
जादू में क्या है
धूप.
Okay, just keep going, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, let's go. छोटे छोटे कुछ पलों का दोस्ताना ये जाने क्यों अब लग रहा है जाना माना ये cause when you smile for me the world seems alright. ये सारे
I know. तो फिर ये जिंदगी everything's alright. ना 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 ना. जाने क्यों दिल सोचता है तू है तो I'll be alright. I'll be alright. I love that so much.
Yeah, great. Very well done. That was very fast. So we'll do one more. ठीक है? Very cool. Naveen, 5 points. 4, 5 for Naveen.
I feel like now
My
I'm
God,
coming to
Naveen is getting in the clutch.
Chal. Oh, this is great. Let's see if you guys get this, okay? Oh no, you guys won't get it. There's no
He
way.
just lost faith
Yeah.
while mentally singing the
No, like, no,
song.
there's
Back
no
to
way.
back,
There's no
yeah.
way. There's no way. Okay, chalo. Last. This one you guys will. You guys will definitely get this one. Okay. जो देखा तुझे, जो सोचा तुझे, मेरा दिल ये तुझी पे आया. हर खुशी मिली, बेखुदी मिली, जो मांगा था मैंने पाया. तू कहे अगर, ओ जाने जिगर, तुझे सोने से आज सजाऊं. दिल चाहे करूं, बाहों में भरूं, तुझे तारों से सैर कराऊं. मेरा ये दिल अब तेरा नहीं, ये आशिकी दीवानगी. Yeah.
हाँ, I know. बोल. मेरा ये दिल मेरा नहीं. So this is the
You're right. Ashwin.
Yeah.
Okay. ये आशिकी दीवानगी.
That's it.
I mean, I can read one more line, but I will try to refrain from that.
I know
line,
what
because
song
it's
this is.
kind of a giveaway. Yeah.
See
I'll
the
read
first
it.
part.
I'll read it.
Sorry.
Okay. जो देखा तुझे, जो सोचा तुझे, मेरा दिल ये तुझी पे आया. हर खुशी मिली, बेखुदी मिली, जो मांगा था मैंने पाया. तू कहे अगर, ओ जाने जिगर, तुझे सोने से आज सजाऊं. दिल चाहे करूं, बाहों में भरूं, तुझे तारों के सैर कराऊं. मेरा ये दिल अब तेरा नहीं, ये आशिकी दीवानगी.
So it's a duet where like मेरा ये दिल मेरा नहीं ये आशिकी दीवानगी. उसके आगे मुझे नहीं आ रहा है. But if you have the last line loaded up, why can't you sing
Okay,
it out?
see, so I'll tell you because that's kind of giveaway. But let's see, I'll
I'm
read that.
close.
I'll read that line nonetheless. So, ये आशिकी दीवानगी, मैं तेरे प्यार के सागर में डूबा.
मैं तेरे प्यार के सागर में
डूबा.
I love this guy. मैं सिर्फ जरा महबूब तू मेरी
That's right.
महबूबा.
That's right.
Adnan Sami Nut.
But cool.
Which movie is this?
It's from
This is Ajnabi.
Ajnabi.
Correct.
महबूबा great movie actually. It's so campy. I love it.
I think it's Abbas
everything
Mastan,
is
no?
planned.
Yeah, it's Abbas
Yeah.
Mastan. Everything is planned.
Abbas Mastan.
Bobby Deol.
Yeah. That was his
गाजर डालता है साइलेंसर में.
Okay.
टायर स्लैश करता है.
Very cool.
Ashiki.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I think we are
Yeah,
quite a bit over time,
Yeah.
so I think we should end it here.
Yeah.
You guys have been lovely. You guys have been awesome. Let's
you.
calculate the final scores. Where we stand at the end of this episode of That Filmy Game Show is coming in at second place. We have the great Naveen Navra with 30 points. With 30 points. 30 points. Very cool. And being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah, the one, the only, with 35 points, Mr. Noel Cordero!
Make your own hole.
Yes, make your own hole. That's what she said. And Noel, we get to hand this over to, who are you playing for? Karishma?
For
Divij.
Yes.
Okay, nice. We get to hand this over. Oh, Noel got up and all of this. Nice. Very cool, huh? Nice. Come. Take a central photo. Nice. Done it done. Very cool. Thank you guys. Nice. Now please go hang it up on your wall and don't throw it away. Or give it back to us at the end of the show. We have only so much budget. That's it, guys. All of you, thank you so much. Abhishek, Divij, Sigmund, and Karishma, and the fifth guy who left.
He just left. He
got
was like,
a
I
meeting.
didn't come here for production
Yeah,
nightmares.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I expected a
Okay.
good show.
That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Noel, congratulations. Any
Thank you.
winning speech, prize,
Yes.
award winning?
I am glad I
speech.
won against a worthy opponent this time.
That's true. That's close.
Two-time
Come
winner
on.
of this. Yeah.
Dude, the way he started saying this song, that song, oh shit, I was like, Gaya.
That was his round. That was his
Gaya.
round. Okay. Very well done. Very well done.
Chalo.
And Naveen, how does it feel, man? What do you
It's
think of
always
this?
fun to do quizzes, man. I feel we should have more. And the fact that you keep on keeping on, that's what makes you different than most people. So, yeah.
In the words of Andy Samberg, never say never.
Never stop.
Never stop.
Pause. Okay, cool. Thank you so much, guys.
And
See you
thanks,
guys next
friends, for
week.
staying back and
Bye-bye.
watching
Thank
us.
you so
So,
much.
Absolutely,
fun.
yes, you guys have been awesome, and hope you guys come back. Man, wait, we didn't even address. These guys came from Virar, dude.
Oh my
fuck,
god.
dude.
Fucking Virar, man.
Yes,
All
yes.
the way. Hope this was worth it. And
So
sorry, we're over time.
you get a complimentary stay at Antariksh because he lives in Powai.
Yeah, sure. You guys invited. Yeah. Everyone who comes first shows invited always. Man.
The moment like
But now they
Sigmund
can have a
enters.
train journey back where they can pass the fuck out and nobody can say anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So उनको जाके विरार में उठने का है. Because I would sometimes go to Bandra and get up in Virar by mistake because
Oh,
because you pass out in the train,
dude,
right?
that's like 1.5 hours down, man.
No, it's not that far. Bandra
quite-
says 5
Oh, by
stations.
road. I'm thinking by road. Sorry. I went by road.
Okay, road warrior. 1.5 hours on the
All
road.
right. Terrible. All right. Thanks so much, guys. See you next week, and hope you like this. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. You know how it works. All right. Bye bye. See you guys.
Bye.
Take care.